Welcome back. So we're going to show you how to install Hellobar on your WordPress website. So I've showed you how to create one, and then this video I'm going to show you how to actually install it. So once you've done that, it gives you the options of installing your Hellobar. So I'm going to show you how to do it if you've got Divi, because you don't need to install a plugin, and I'm going to show you how to install a plugin if you don't have Divi. It's really simple. So the first way is to copy the script where it says I can install the code myself. Copy the script, and you'll go over to your website, your Divi website. You will go down here to where it says Divi. You will go to integration, and then you will go to add code, so you can just paste that into where it says the body. So add code to the body, so you would just do that. And then I'll scroll down. I'm just going to move this across, and we'll just click save changes. We will look at our site. I might have to do an incognito window. I think it doesn't show if you're in admin. So let's do a new incognito window. So if you're logged in as admin, it's not going to show. Fingers crossed it works. And there you go. You can see that it actually shows now on your screen. So if I click on that, I don't think I put a URL in the end, didn't. So yeah, make sure you set your URL. But that's how you do it using Divi. So what I'm going to do is go back to Divi. I'm going to remove that code, and now I'm going to show you how to do it using a plugin if you do not have a Divi. So I'm going to delete that out. Click on save changes, and then if we go back, it says I use WordPress. So it says find your plugin, go to WordPress admin, select plugins, add new, and then search for Hellobar. So that's what we're going to do. So we're going to go back to Divi. We're going to go to appearances, no plugins. I don't even know my way around. I'm supposed to be the expert. So we go to plugins, we'll go to add new, and we'll just go Hellobar. I don't know if it's one word or two, I can't remember. And there it is here, and we'll click on install now. And you only need to do this once, by the way. And we'll click on activate, and then we will look for Hellobar, which is a brand new option here. So we click there, and then we'll go back to Hellobar. We will copy our snippet. You can click on copy there. And then we'll paste the snippet. Okay, let's move my head. And then we'll click on activate Hellobar. And there you go. So we'll do another incognito window to make sure that worked. Ain't not gonna work. Maybe it might have to oh, there it is. Just takes a little time to load. So, and that's how you do it. So that's how you set up Hellobar, and that is how you install it on your site, whether or not you use Divi or whether or not you use a normal website.